Let's make our site a little bit more legit with the registration form. Go grab some coffee, cause we're about to rock our world with some big and powerful concepts, like forms and validation. Let's start by creating a new register controller class and user bundle. Creating a controller by hand is easy. Just add the right namespace and then extend Symfony's base controller class. The register action method will be our actual registration page. I'm kinda liking these annotation routes, so let's use those again. Remember, to do this, we need two things. First, add the route use statement, and then set up the route above the method. Second, we need to import the routes and routing.yaml. And hey, we're already importing annotations from the entire controller directory, so we're ready to go. To see if the route is being loaded, run the router debug console task. Yep, there it is. Now let's build a form, which is an object that knows all of the fields we want and their types. It'll help us render the form and process its values. It's pretty fancy. Start by calling the createFormBuilder method. Now use the add function to give the form username, email, and password fields. The two arguments to add are the name of the field and the field type. Symfony comes with built-in types for creating text fields, select fields, date fields, and force fields. I'll show you where to find a list in a minute. When we're all done, we call getForm. I want to render the form, so let's pass it to Twig. To save and impress my Ewok friends, I'm going to use the @template annotation trick. Pass the form as the only variable. So let's create the Twig template. Make a registered directory in resources views, since we're registering from register controller. And @template uses that to figure out the template path. I'll paste in some HTML goodness to get us started. So let's head to the browser and see how things look so far. When we go to /register, we see a nice looking page. Kidding! We see a huge, horrible, threatening error. Look closely. The error contains the answer. I've used the @template shortcut, but forgot to put a use statement for it. After adding the namespace, I can refresh and see the page.